that is what? B at C. When the object is placed at C, that is at center of curvature, first step, draw the curvature, shade, principal axis, pole, principal focus, center of curvature, barkoಣ. Next, where the object is placed at C andre, at C I will draw an object A, B. Always. ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಡಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಆರೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಟ್ ಸಿ. ನೌ you pass a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, which is making an angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R. So you already know that whenever you place the object, ray of light passing parallel to the principal axis will pass through the principal focus anta. So this is the reflected light. Next, when I will pass one more ray of light passing through the principal focus of the mirror. ಎರಡು ray ತೋರಿಸಿ children, it is enough. First ray parallel to principal axis ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it is passing through principal focus. Second ray of light I am writing, it is passing through the principal focus andre, after reflection it will emerge parallel to the principal axis. ಈ ಸಿ ಚೂರು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ for my convenience. Now this ray of light is passing parallel to the principal axis. ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂತು principal focus ಇಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Now ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Wherever it is coinciding, from there please see ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ for my convenience, I am sorry. So ಆ intersecting points ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡ್ರಾ ಅ ಲೈನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ನೌ ಆರೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು? ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಳಿಸೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆರೋ ಹೆಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ. ನೌ ವೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಸಿ, ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಟ್ ಸಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಸಿ? ಸಿ wherever the object is, ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಸೊ ನೈಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಸಿ. And the size of the object is same as the size of the image. Yes, correct. See, height AB idre idu ashte height ide. So this image is also same size, and of course the image form nature is real and inverted andre arrow mark ulta irutte. How do you represent? B dash A dash is the image formed, real and inverted image. B dash A dash arrowhead kedage maribedi. That is real and inverted image. That is about third case. Three more we have. Next, when the object is placed between C and F, curve, shade, MN, principal axis, pole, principal focus, center of curvature. The object is now placed between C and F. Andre illide object as always A and B. Now what we'll do is, idna first ray of light you make it compulsory to pass parallel to the principal axis, so that the reflected light will go through the principal focus. Now another ray of, so for the fourth case we have placed now the object between C and F children. While drawing the ray diagram according to your convenience, mark F and C little that side, it doesn't matter. Okay na? Now what I do is, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಪೋಲ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್, center of curvature I will mark as always. Now the object is placed between C and F. Andre A, B is the object which is placed between C and F. So now we should show the process of reflection. Ray of light, first compulsorily we will make it, as I said you, principal axis ke parallel one ray of light hogli, so that after reflection it will pass through the principal focus of the mirror. It is passing through the principal focus of the mirror. Now you can draw the ray of light which is passing through the center of curvature of the mirror. You can draw, no problem. It is not like ಈಗ light ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ light ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ light ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So you can consider, if you consider the ray of light passing through the center of curvature of the mirror, then after reflection, you know it will retrace the path. If you extend these lines, children, here it is coinciding. I would have drawn it little that side. I am sorry. You adjust. You have that in textbook. You can see or you can adjust it. So the image is formed here. So I should extend my principal axis also now. Let me extend my principal axis. Now, when the object is placed between C and F, and one ray of light passed parallel to the principal axis passed through the principal focus, another ray of, you please use scale, don't do freehand like me. Another ray of light passing through the center of curvature of the mirror retraced the path, and if you observe, though both the reflected rays are meeting here. So as always, from here I will draw the image. Now look, AB namdillide size, but image size nodi, it is so big. Are we right? We shall check here. When the object is placed between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. Yes, C illide beyond C. C inda ee kade image form agtade. Correct agide right diagram. Enlarged image above, we are safe. See, compared to size of the object, size of the image is bigger. So you are getting enlarged image, but still which is real and inverted under children. Arrow mark downward, B dash, A dash anta bandutte. Illi arrow head ide. Hope you can see it. So when the object is placed between C and F, the image is formed beyond C, and the image is enlarged image, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. This is the ray diagram for the fourth case. Next case alli, the object is placed at the principal focus itself, at F. Helode illa na steps. I am writing it little fast. Hope you will follow. F alli, C, then object is now placed at F. A, B, as always, M, N. This is the skeleton. Object itta it now. L ittadivi at F. When the object is placed at F, draw a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, which is incident ray, and after reflection, it will pass through the principal focus of the mirror. Next, another ray of light, as I did in the previous case, children. I will make it to pass through the center of curvature of the mirror, so that after reflection, it will retrace the path. Now, if you observe, see here, two rays of reflected rays, when I extended, they were meeting. But here you see, children, how much ever I extend, it will go parallel. I don't want to spoil the table. So that's all I can extend. How much ever I extend those lines, children, it is going parallelly. It is not meeting at anywhere. So what we'll do is we will leave it as it is and let us not try to coincide them. Now what is happening is, when the object is placed at F, the image is formed. Look where? At infinity. Image is formed at infinity. That is the reason the reflected rays are not coinciding and they are going parallelly how much ever you extend, children. Hence you say that when the object is placed at F, the image is formed at infinity. And the image is highly enlarged. And going away, it is enlarged image you are getting. And of course the image is real and inverted. Andre illi B dash A dash ಏನು ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Why? Because it is formed at infinity. I cannot mark B dash A dash, so we will leave it. So this is about the ray diagram for object at F. Now last ray diagram is when the object is placed between the pole and the principal focus of the mirror. So draw the concave mirror, shade it, draw the principal axis, mark the pole, mark the principal focus, mark the center of curvature. What next? The object is placed between P and F andre. Here I will place the object, and as always I will label it as A and B. Now, when you should know that when the object is placed between P and F children, the image is formed behind the mirror. So, Iga, you know this part of the mirror is silvered or polished, alva? So, reflection is taking place in this area or this part of the mirror. Which is the behind the mirror andre, illi image form aagta ide anta they are telling. So what I will do is I will extend this principal axis. It makes no difference. I will extend the principal axis. So when you, as usual children, here from the object, let us make a ray of light pass through directly through the center of curvature of the mirror. When you are making the incident ray to pass through the center of curvature of the mirror, you know it retraces its path. It retraces its path. We have studied the last condition there. What was that? When the ray of light is incident obliquely at the pole of the mirror. When the ray of light is incident at the pole of the mirror, it will reflect back in such a way. So, obeying the laws of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Look now, two reflected rays we got finally. But look, first reflected ray somewhere here, second reflected ray is here. Is there any point in go on extending or trying to meet them? No. Instead what you should do is try to connect them here behind the mirror. It is formed behind the mirror. I showed you in case of convex mirror only one condition. When the ray of light it is diverging and when their paths were traced, they coincided anta. Aa tara case ilide. This is don't call it as convex then. Extend or trace their path through dotted lines. They both the reflected rays are coinciding here at this point where the image is formed. Here the image is formed behind the mirror and image is virtual and erect. Till now children, I asked you to first thing intersection point in the you should draw a line towards the principal axis. Till now we observed that all the image is formed on the principal axis or below the principal axis. This is the first case we are seeing where the image is formed above the principal axis children. So wherever the reflected rays are meeting, that you from that intersection point draw a straight line with the help of scale towards the principal axis. Now the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Till now I was asking you to mark like this arrowhead down and B dash A dash anta. Why? Because in all the cases we observed the image formed are real and inverted. But when the object is placed between P and F children, the image formed is virtual and erect. Virtual we cannot show here, but erect and inverted we can show. Till now we used to get inverted image, so this is the way we used to represent B dash A dash and arrowhead downward. But look now, the image formed here is erect andre arrowhead upward and A dash B dash anta name ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Arrowhead L ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ letter A ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. Keep that in mind. ಉಲ್ಟಾ arrowhead ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು B dash A dash ಬರೆದ್ರೆ children whole ray diagram is wrong. I am telling you. Simply don't lose marks. Okay na? Understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ. So arrowhead ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು A dash B dash ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. I have shown the arrowhead ma'am, but labeling is wrong. It is correct? No, you are wrong. Okay na? Each and everything matters here. ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ray diagrams draw ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay na? So virtual image ಅಂದ್ರೆ erect image ಅಂದ್ರೆ A dash B dash. ಏನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮಿರರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್. But here the image is enlarged children. The image is enlarged. See, compared to size of the object, the size of the image is enlarged. So this is about the ray diagrams, about the formation of image in case of concave mirror. We totally have 6 positions of the objects for which we get 6 positions of the image, 6 sizes of the image and 6 nature of image. All the 6 ray diagrams are very, very, very important and easily you can score 3 marks, or based upon that, if at all they ask 2 mark question or 1 mark question, easily 4 or 5 marks you can score children. So please practice these ray diagrams. They are very, very important. How to represent the object, how to represent the image adunu tumba important. Okay na? So I showed you each and every day diagram for different positions of the object. Next you may have the question how to remember this table. They will not give you this table or they will not ask you to write this table. Instead the question will be in the sentence form. Draw the ray diagram or for the formation of image of the object which is placed at C. Like this the question will be. Then soon you should scan this table. Oh, object, they have given the object should be placed at C. Then where will the image be formed? At C. What is the nature of image? Same size barutte. What is the nature? It is real and inverted. Like this you should get that column here. Scan ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Hey ma'am, I will teach you. For that children, now hope you have understood this table and how to draw the respective ray diagrams. Minimum of 2 rays you show. And you need not, you may wonder like why if I draw the ray of light passing through center of curvature, can I do it ma'am? Yes, you can do it, no problem. But make sure you follow or obey this table. You don't go beyond this. Now, how to remember this table anta ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಪರ್ಚರ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೋಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈಜ್ ಏನು, ನೇಚರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ವಿಚ್ ರೇ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನೌ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ನೌ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This order only I am showing you how to remember anta. Infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, between P and F. All the 6 cases mugdaitu. That is what you have in this column. We are starting from infinity. Infinity ಇಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ C ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ C ಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ, ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ C, at C, between C and F, at F one position, between P and F one position. Image ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, now for position of the object we started from infinity ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗೆ for the position of the image we should start from point F. At F, between C and F, at C, beyond C, at infinity. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ behind the mirror. Easy no children? Formation, position of the object ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? First infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, between P and F. 6 conditions ಆಯ್ತು. Image LL form ಆಗ್ತದೆ for those 6. Start from F, between C and F, at C, beyond C, at infinity, last case behind the mirror. See? At F, between F and C, at C, beyond C, at infinity, behind the mirror. Illu nodi, infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, P and F. Finish. ಮುಗಿತಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ size of the image ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, start from highly diminished, ಆಮೇಲೆ same size, ಆಮೇಲೆ enlarge, ಆಮೇಲೆ highly enlarged, ಮತ್ತೆ enlarge ಅಷ್ಟೇ. highly diminished, same size. ಹಿಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜು, ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಹೈಲಿ ಡಿಮಿನಿಶ್ಡ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್, ಹೈಲಿ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಂದು ಆಲ್ ದ 5 cases it is real and inverted children. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, when the object is between P and F, the image is formed behind the mirror and the image size of the image is enlarged, whereas the image formed is virtual and erect. In all other cases the image formed are real and inverted. This is how you should remember the table. Innonsati hella, you as and when I say, you please go verify here. I will only do it. First, at infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, between P and F. 6 position of objects mugdoitu. Image formation nanaga same start agutte. At F, between C and F, at C, beyond C, at infinity, behind the mirror last case. Image henge highly diminished, diminished, same size, enlarged, highly enlarged, enlarged ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Real and inverted, real and inverted, real and inverted, real and inverted, real and inverted. ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ and enlarged image. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. So this is how we remember the table. So this completes the concept of image formation by a concave mirror. Okay, so all the 6 ray diagrams what we learnt now are very important. To draw that, you should remember the table. I have taught you the hint how to remember the table. Hope you have understood. If not, once again we will be revising it in the online class. Please practice the ray diagram, children. It is very important. So in the next session, we shall see or learn about the image formation in case of convex mirror, which is the divergent mirror. So divergent mirror and we have only 2 table is there, but only 2 position of the objects and 2 position of the image you will have to remember. It is very easy. Next session we shall learn that. Please practice the